Sometimes your tarot reading is correct, but the timing still feels wrong. And this can be frustrating because you start doubting your intuition. But the truth is, it is not your intuition, it is the mistakes happening in the way timing is being read. Timing is one of the most misunderstood parts of tarot, and most readers don't even realize where they are going wrong. So, today, let's clearly identify these mistakes so you can become aware of them. The first mistake is simplifying timing too much, trying to reduce it to just one idea, one method, one shortcut. But timing in tarot is never that simple, and when we oversimplify it, we lose accuracy. The second mistake is treating tarot like a calendar, expecting fixed dates, exact timelines, precise answers. But tarot does not function like time on a clock, and forcing it to behave that way creates confusion. The third mistake is looking at cards in isolation, reading one card and trying to decide timing from it alone. But tarot never speaks in isolation, it speaks in connection. And when that connection is ignored, timing becomes unclear. The fourth mistake is misunderstanding reversals, either ignoring them completely or assuming they mean something negative. But reversals are not about negativity, they indicate a change in flow. And when that is misunderstood, timing gets distorted. The fifth mistake is ignoring the human factor. Sometimes timing depends on a person, their decision, their readiness, their action, and when this is not considered, timing feels unpredictable. Timing becomes confusing not because tarot is unclear, but because we try to make it fit into fixed expectations instead of observing what is actually showing. So, before trying to improve timing, the first step is awareness to recognize these patterns and notice where you might be making these mistakes. Because once you see them clearly, your understanding begins to shift. And that shift is where clarity begins. In the next video, we will move from mistakes to clarity and understand how to actually express timing in a real tarot reading in a way that feels natural and confident.